Today in this video I will show you how to use your iPad as an extra display for your Mac. You can use both iPad and Mac display simultaneously for certain work. Here is my MacBook Pro and my iPad Air. Now I will just make sure both your MacBook Pro and iPad are signed in with same Apple ID, and they are should be connected to Wi-Fi, and the Bluetooth should be turned on the board. So if you go to your MacBook, you can see a symbol at the top right toolbar here. So this is showing you the symbol of iPad. When you click there, when you click that one, it will shows the names of your iPad, and you can connect that one by clicking there. Okay, hello. Yeah, now you can see my my iPad becomes the extra side display for my MacBook. Just I can show you, you can drag any application from this Mac to this iPad screen, and you can just use there you can see I can run the terminal on my iPad. So it's not actually running on iPad, it's running on my Mac, but I'm using the a display of the iPad for doing this job. And you can select couple of options there. You can use as built-in display, and in this case you or you can select the other option as built-in retina display. So if you use that option, then you cannot share the app from this window to this Mac to the iPad, but still you can use iPad as the secondary display. But I recommend everyone, I think use as separate display option is the best, because you can drag from to display to here and just do your work here, and you can open any other window here. That's not a matter. It will not affect the other application right your own iPad. If you want to use even iPad's own display, you can go there. You can see a symbol here that is showing to you the display is shared with the Mac. So if you want to use your own iPad display, you can do that. But if you want to use this as MacBook, you can just click the sign here, and it will switch display for iPad and MacBook.